Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about pandas in introduction. So pandas is a Python library used for working with the data set. It will help you to work with the data set that is available in Python. It has a function for analyzing, cleaning, exploring, manipulating data, and these are the few of terms that are available. So these are it will help you to function for analyzing the data, cleaning the data, exploring the data, and manipulating the data that are available. Fine. So these are the terms. The name Panda has reference of both panel data and the Python data analysis. Okay, and this is created in 2008 only. Okay, so these are the few terms and why we use pandas. So pandas allow you to analyze big data and make conclusion based on the statistical theories. So first it will analyze the data that you have given and it will make the statistical theory based on that only. Okay. So Panda can clean messy data set and make them readable and relevant. If you are having the messy data set over there, so it will help you to clean it and it will make you more readable and relevant to understand. Fine. So these are the few kinds of terms that is available in Panda. Relevant data is very important in data science because everything is correct and everything is understandable. In data science, everything is already complicated. If you're providing the complicated things, it is going to be very difficult for you to understand it. Okay. So Panda give you the answer about the data, like is there correlation between two or more column, what is the average, maximum value, minimum value. These are the kind of details it is going to provide you. Okay. So pandas are also able to delete rows that are not relevant and contain wrong values like empty or null. This is called the cleaning of data. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you so much.